People who lost family members in the Montecito mudslides are suing SoCal Edison. They claim the utility company's negligence sparked the Thomas fire and resulting damage. KSBY News reporter Molly Casey has more on the pending litigation. Molly?
Richard, multiple law firms say they have evidence needed to win their cases. Cases they say should pile up into the thousands. And we were there today to hear from two of the plaintiffs.
If we had lost all this and I had Peter, I would be fine.
Lawsuits from those impacted by the mudslide are beginning to pile up against SoCal Edison, claiming their ill-kept power equipment caused the Thomas fire and resulting January 9th mudslide.
Our experts have already consulted with us and have advised us that that causal connection is existing and can be established in court.
Lawyers for those like Lalo Barajas, whose partner Peter Flore died when their home was swept away, feel confident in their case. But it means more than just a court date for Barajas.
Whatever normal is, it's not going to be with him, but I want to make this place a beautiful place like it was before, the house, the way we had it.
And closure for others.
And all of a sudden, the water hit our house, and the house dropped about 4 feet and literally broke in half.
CARIE Corey Baker lost 2 daughters in the mudslide after being swept away herself.
Morgan and I flew down the creek together holding hands, screaming. She looked at me and said, "What do I do, Mom? What are we going to do?" And I said, "Just keep your head above water," as we're just bobbing up and down, holding on as tight as we could. And I'll never forget her face and the fear in her eyes, looking at me, so petrified.
Corey Baker's lawyers say they are aware of the ongoing investigation by CAL FIRE into the origins of the Thomas fire, but are also confident in their filings.
There's witnesses, there's a lot of other information that's available to us that has given us evidence and proof that Edison was responsible for starting the Thomas fire.
We reached out to SoCal Edison regarding the lawsuits and received this statement, which in part reads, "This and other lawsuits are not based on findings related to an investigation. Therefore, it would be premature for SCE to comment on the origin or the cause of the wildfire." Both Barajas and Corey Baker say the lawsuits aren't about the money, but are about making sure SoCal Edison is held accountable and responsible for the damage caused.
Some lawyers would like to see the cases heard in Los Angeles, while others would like to keep them in Santa Barbara. A preliminary hearing on that decision will be held in Ventura County Superior Court on Monday.